Show me your ticket. What are we going to do in Solaire?
Manonood kami ng play. Yung 6.
Show me the ticket, dali.
It's about 6 men. Got stuck
Ano ba
in the
story niyan?
mountain.
The 6 wives of Henry VIII and the struggles they had in their marriage.
Wow, the ex-wives.
The ex-wives.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ito ang driver, sweet lover.
Ano yan? 6 men
No.
got stuck in the mountain.
No.
Tapos, kailangan nila ng warmth.
What?
No, girl.
Maaga pa naman, so para may parking.
Turn right.
What song is that?
Heart of Stone.
Oh, wow, Heart of Stone. We're 4 kilometers away.
Oh my gosh. 17 minutes.
Excited?
Ano? He was a king.
King, di ko kilala si King Henry.
King Henry. I don't know about him. I didn't care about him. I just wanted to know about his
Okay.
wife.
O later ulit kasi traffic pa.
Yeah.
Si King Kong.
King Kong.
Yeah, bees knitting.
Ha?
Bees knitting.
Sleeping?
Bee knitting.
Ah, wow! What are you making?
Sweater.
Sweater?
Yeah.
Wow! Sweater for you or for somebody small? Ah,
Because there's
wow.
so many
Can I see?
mistakes, I'll just make-
Oh, wow! Galing ah.
Where did this yarn come from?
And then keep left.
Ayan, Solaire.
guys.
Ano ba ito i-zoom?
Guys. Ayun!
Ito nakita ko, Solaire. Ayan na! Oo nga!
Kunan mo yung ano. Kunin mo yung...
Stop pa tayo eh. Wait lang. Ayan na, go!
Keep left. And then turn left.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Asan na? Hindi ko naman nakita.
In 200 meters.
Excited. Parking na tayo.
Dito kami sa Solaire. I-slot machine kami. It's a prank. Meow, 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 meow.
Wait, Ani, ka picture tayo dito. Here. You want a photo here? And then let's go there. Oh wait, I'll take a photo. 1, 2, 3. I'll go near. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Let's go! Let's punta tayo sa merge. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Paganda naman. lapit ako ah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright. Okay. Hey, hi. Ayan o. Picture kayo dyan. Oh, they have yung ano, oh. Manila. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Ano ba yung pose ng mga taga 6 ng wives? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Gusto ko yung pose ng mga wives. 1, 2, 3. Ano yung mga dance moves nila? They don't have any dance moves, Anika? 1, 2, 3. Strike a pose! Sorry. Oo nga yan, dyan naman. Ready? Punto kayo dyan. Sama kami ng daddy.
Na?
Sama tayo, magana tayo. Ikaw yung king, tapos sila yung kami yung wife sa likod. 1, 2, 3. Oh, one more. Nice! Ganda ng ilaw dyan. Okay. Let's see.
Ano ba yun?
I thought it's about six the question. I think it's to say which sex you can
Wag yung answer mo dyan, ano,
Depends on
magiging kung ano, sinong queen ka.
kung sinong wife ka. Okay. Akala ko yung parang quiz. Oh. Work!
Sino ka?
One more.
O, ikaw naman, B.
Paragon ka daw. Oh, depende sa sagot mo.
Ikaw.
Point ka. So, ikaw yung Catherine of Aragon. The first one. The first wife? You're the first wife.
I got her! Yes!
Diba? Oh, name. One, two, three. What are you doing? Hard. Okay, teka. Wait lang. Malalapit ako.
Ay,
Saturday naman ngayon, 20 p.m. Ayan, open na siguro. Open na lang. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Cameras up here.
Okay, move forward on here. We can do everything. Ayan, let's do everything. Move in the middle. Ayan.
Para mas
Ano ba maganda yung background? O kasi later madami ng tao sa background mo. Ano ba?
You can move a little forward para
Forward on here.
yan. A little lang. Yan. Cameras up here.
Parang queen.
Para marami ng picture.
So we'll ask us.
Makikita ako.
Oo, makikita yun. Ma'am, kindly check na lang po your email.
Tapos na mag-picture tong mga to.
Ha?
Tapos na
Ayun na,
mag-picture.
ikaw naman dito. Queen.
Ayoko.
Ako.
Kain muna kami. Hanap kami ng food. Dito sa Solaire. Mamaya pa naman yung play ni Anika. Mag-i-slot machine muna ako. Kain muna kami dito sa Abe. Kapampangan food. Okay muna ako. Sarap.
Sarap, sarap. Super sarap. Ay, sarap.
Sarap mo ko.
I love the outfit. Ay, relation natin.
Wow. Repot sa'yo. What? Suman. Ano ba to? Suman lahiya. Sarap.
See, I can feel the fan.
Ito parang mochi.
Oh, you want another one? You want one for you?
Ay.
Skip na lang kayo. Skip na lang kayo. Ay, ito.
Nag-ice cream ka na, nag-leche plan ka na,
Milkshake pa siya.
nag-mango shake ka pa. Sarap.
Cheers.
Ice cream. Cheat day ngayon, cheat day.
Dami mo ng cheat ngayon ah.
Ice cream. Hindi siya masyado matamis.
Ay, ano ba yung vanilla lang?
Pero may beans siya, oh. May mga maliliit na beans.
Baka yun yung vanilla.
O, totoong vanilla siya. out of 5.
Meron namang parcel dito.
Nagbi-video ka rin ba? Bye.
They look for the soft copy at the copy of.
Theater review, anong masasabi niyo? Anong score niyo sa 6?
6 out of 6.
6 out of 6.
6.
6. Okay. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Please take your last shot because we have to clear the theater now. Thank you. Yay.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Enjoy daw sila. Tuwang-tuwa ako.